Kempes then to take the first spot kick for Valencia to get the Spanish side off to the best possible start up against Pat Jennings. It's Mario Kempes, it's saved by Jennings. It wasn't the best spot kick from the Argentine, and the World Cup winner has been denied by the Northern Ireland international. Guessed the right way. What an opportunity now for Arsenal. Kempes seeing his spot kick saved. Brady steps up for Arsenal. First of 5 for the Gunners. Wojciech Krzysztof, the referee, not happy that the ball is on the spot correctly here. Carlos Pereira, can he emulate Pat Jennings? Brady steps up, oh, and sees his penalty save as well. Well, he scored 4 penalties in the league this season, Liam Brady. But from the spot in the Cup Winners' Cup final, Pereira, cat-like across to his left-hand side to deny the Irishman. And it remains 0-0. What drama here in Brussels. Nobody is heading for the exits just yet. Solsona to take. Solsona scores. Valencia have the lead. And of course, it's 1 miss each. Valencia score through Daniel Solsona. And now it's up to Arsenal to level things up with their second penalty, to be taken by Frank Stapleton. Not a regular penalty taker. Stapleton scores though. Pereira this time no chance. And it's 1-1 and we're all square and the same number of penalties have been taken. Yes, the right way did Carlos Pereira, but could not prevent the ball from flashing into the goal. Up next for Valencia is Pablo Rodriguez, who scores. Well, Jennings very, very close to getting to that. Guessing the right way, hard to his right. 2-1 Valencia lead. Well, Sunderland scored a penalty in the League Cup run this season and indulges in some ball juggling skills ahead of his spot kick here in the final of the Cup Winners' Cup. Arsenal's third. This to level things up at 2-2. It's Sunderland versus Pereira. Sunderland for Arsenal scores. Simple. Simple goes the wrong way. And it's 2-2. And time for the Arsenal supporters to cheer. Well, the first 2 were missed, but since then we've had 100%. 4 out of 4, 2 each, of course, from both sides, and now the substitute, Angel Castellanos, hopes to secure Valencia's third to go 3-2 ahead. Again, the referee not happy about the placing of the ball. Castellanos eventually gets the OK. Jennings is ready. Castellanos to put Valencia ahead once again. Castellanos, oh, only just in off the underside of the crossbar. The substitute does it, they all count. Perhaps not the best, but that doesn't matter at this stage. Pressure once again swings to Arsenal. Just indulging in some mind games with the penalty taker. He's still not on his line here. Brian Talbot to level things up once more at 3-3. It's Talbot, it's in. Pereira guessed the right way. He wasn't too far away from it. The former Ipswich man does well. And it's 3-3. And with the set of 5, we've got 1 each from both Valencia and Arsenal. We haven't seen Reina Bonoff yet. I think we're about to. Jennings takes his position. Bonhoff with the long walk to the penalty area to place the ball, the German international. Vastly experienced, played in the 74 World Cup final, of course, set up the goal for Muller, the winner. Can he score here in the Cup Winners' Cup final against Pat Jennings? Yes. Arsenal must score to keep their hopes alive. Valencia score with their fifth spot kick, courtesy of the German Bonhoff. And now John Hollins on as a substitute, who did taste success with Chelsea in this competition a few years ago, has the responsibility of sending the penalty shootout into sudden death. Paul Barron can't lock. It's Hollins against Pereira for 4-4. Hollins scores. Pereira goes the wrong way. Well, you never know. Those players on the sidelines may well be required to take a spot kick, because we're into sudden death now. It will go round, maybe even to the keepers. And Hollins gets the handshakes from Lena Bonhoff. Bonhoff wants to take another one here. The Czechoslovakian referee just explaining that now we go to the players that haven't taken a penalty, the ones that weren't nominated in the five. No real dialogue between Messrs Jennings and Pereira, not just yet anyway. They've both saved one apiece. Bonhoff has just realised that the other players are required here. Well, who's going to step up for Valencia? Who's going to step up for Arsenal? And Talbot has already taken his. He won't be required again unless it goes round again, of course, which is a possibility. 4-4. A word between the keepers, plenty of respect there, I'm sure. Until somebody misses. Ricardo Arias to put Valencia ahead once again. We're into sudden death in the penalty shootout of the Cup Winners' Cup final. Arias versus Jennings eventually. Arias scores. Oh! Jennings so close. It went low to the keeper's right, very close to the keeper, but it was good enough. And now the pressure very much is on Arsenal. And Graham Rix, who's nominated next. And Paul Barron still can't watch. It is tense on the touchlines. Imagine what it feels like for Graham Rix to walk up for this spot kick. But he can't take it yet. Rix to keep the penalty shootout going. He has to score here. Paul Barron can't look. And the two supporters around us can't either. Rix steps up and Pereira saves, and that is that. Rix sees his penalty saved by Carlos Pereira, and the Valencia supporters in the crowd in the Heysel Stadium go wild.